This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Alcira Salazar. Welcome to the beautiful maintenance-free community of Grand Oak at Terra. This move-in ready pristine condo features 2-bed/2-bath plus a den, with newer carpets, laminate floors, newer AC unit and freshly painted. Immaculate ground floor condo overlooks the golf course. One-car detached garage and extra storage area are perfect for your storage needs. No golf membership required. You pay as you play and have access to the main community pool and tennis courts at Terra Preserve Center. Minutes to I-75, Lakewood Ranch Hospital and the new University Town Center Mall. Call today and schedule a showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Alcira Salazar at 941-284-7645.